Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to add your avatar into your Roblox game. Firstly, we have to open a Roblox Studio. So in the search panel, type Roblox Studio. Then click on Open. After Roblox Studio has opened, go to the game you want to put your avatar into. So I'll choose this game. After the game has loaded properly, we'll just click on the play button to play the game. Now, after the game has loaded, on the right side we have to select the workspace. Then you will see your username in there. Right click on your username and click copy. After that, stop playing. Now right click on the workspace and type paste into. Then you'll see that your your avatar has been uploaded into your game as an NPC. Now you can choose to do whatever you want with the NPC by clicking your username and then choosing different assets of the NPC, and that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.